must be the warmer weather, but for the last week or so we've started to see the parrots coming back, which is always nice. And there's one sitting on the fence there right now, thinking about having something to eat. And I think there's a fair few in the front yard attacking the bottle brush as this is all happening in the back. You can hear them going crazy out the front there. They seem to like bottle brush, I think, if memory serves. Now the two feeding dishes, one of them on the left, the blue one in the tree, has what's supposedly on the bag, seed that's specifically for the galahs, which we've been having a lot of. And then in the terracotta plate where the parrot is, there's something that's written on the bag as a pigeon mix, which is just more the traditional sort of yellowy seeds and bits of corn and all that sort of thing. So obviously the parrot, not so keen on the galah food, more interested in the yellow seed, I'd say. He's obviously had a good look and decided this is the one for him. I dare say now that he's been and had a bit of a feed, we might see a few more arriving over the next week or two as word gets around amongst the community that there's some food there. And the terracotta bowl just above on the left is full of water, so that might be a good spot for them to come and have a bit of a morning tea. Looks like he's having a good listen. I think every time I talk, he seems to stick his head up and have a look around and see what's going on. I'm standing right back in the shadow, so I don't think he can see me, but I think he can hear me.